and do this. Okay, find the square root of 12. Okay, so what's 12?
3 times 4.
All right, 3 times 4 or 2 times 6. Either way will work, okay? I'm going to do 3 times 4 because that's what I heard first. All right, 4 is 2 times 2. Okay, 3 times 2 times 2 is 12. So what am I looking for when I do this? Pairs, right? I got a pair of 2s. Where do they go? Outside. What goes inside?
3.
The 3. Okay, leftover. So square root of 12 is 2 radical 3. Okay, so that's going to go right here where this is. So I'm going to rewrite the problem again. W equals 4 plus or minus 2 radical 3 divided by 2. Right now, last problem we did it became 2 whole numbers. Okay, so we broke it into 2 problems. These, even though it looks weirder, I think, whenever there's a square root in it, there's just going to be a plus or minus in the answer. Okay, we're going to leave it in there. Right, the last thing that we need to do is divide both things by 2. Okay, there's 2 things on top. They both need to divide by this 2. So what's 4 divided by 2? 2. All right, plus or minus. What's 2 divided by 2? 1. Right, 2 square root of 3 is all one thing. But when you divide, you can't divide a 2 with something inside the square root. You're going to divide it with what's outside. Okay, and so that will be our answer, 2 plus square root of 3 and 2 minus 1 square root of 3. Those are our 2 solutions. Okay, now, if I put this into the calculator, okay, x squared minus 4x plus 1. Okay, if I do second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. I'm going to move this over so y'all can see it. Second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. Okay, it's going to give me this, 0.267, ugly, ugly. Okay, right, same thing as if I do the other one. All right, it's going to give me this, 3.7, okay? That is this. All right, you can check that, okay? 3.7 whatever. I'm going to do 2 plus 1 square root of 3. 3.7 whatever, okay? It is the same thing as you get on the calculator, but the answer choice is never going to be this. It's going to be like this, okay? And the only way to get this is to do the quadratic formula, okay? All right. Number... like a page. All right, number 3. All right, I want you guys to try this one on your own, okay? All right, I'll get you started, but I want y'all to start going on your own. Okay, number 3 is negative 7z equals negative 4z squared minus 3. All right, what do we need to do first? All right, move everything to the same side. Plus 4z plus the 3. So when I move this over here by plus 4z squared and plus 3, what order is it going to be in? 4z squared needs to come first, right? Then what? Minus 7z, good. And then the minus 3. All right, it needs to be in the, you need to make sure when you move things around, put them in the right order. Right, it is positive 3. I did that on purpose. Stephanie, thank you for figuring that out because I just want to see if you were going to catch it. All right, okay, so label A, B, and C. Okay, and then plug them into the problem. Okay, go for it. you get it all plugged in, then work out each part. But the part that you already did, right? Good. Nice, looking good. So far, so good. Okay, find what's the square root of 1. Okay, now put this in the calculator. Right? Well, what do y'all get underneath the square root? Right, 1. Right, you should get 1 underneath the square root. Right, well, what's the square root of 1? 1. Right? Yes. 2 into